Dapat talaga mamaya-maya pa ako mag-live. Sana. Yung pahapon na talaga. But I have to do something later. And I really wanna do this, no? I really wanna do this. Ito yung title ng video natin, no? We are going to rank SB19 dance practice videos, also like rehearsal. So I just realized na hindi pala lahat ng hindi lahat ng dito dance practice sila is napanood ko na. I mean ang dami nating napanood na parang nila parang live performances, 'di ba? Mga sa intermission or sa mga events, but merong iilang mga mga dance practice hindi ko pa talaga napapanood. So today, we are gonna rank SB19 dance practice and rehearsal. But also, of course, we have to set the rules. Kasi again, yung SB19 kasi gumawa na rin sila ng mga, ano sabihin to? Dance practice para sa mga kanta na hindi talaga nila, para sa hindi official song ng SB19. It's for an advertisement. So, we have to set the rules na dapat kanta talaga nila. And also, we're gonna react to just official dance practice and rehearsal, no? Na uploaded sa SB19 channel. And kanta talaga nila, hindi advertisement, hindi OST for, for a show or something like that. So, this is our tier list. So we have you can see here all the songs na may dance practice ng SB19 official sa kanilang YouTube channel. And this is our tier list, of course. So pinaka first tier natin is in the zone tier. So basically, of course, they are in the zone, no? And hindi natin kailangan pag-usapan. Ito yung masasabi mo talaga na shit, this is the greatest dance practice of all time, no? That's on in the zone tier, man. In the zone tier. Next tier natin is goddamn tier, man. That's the goddamn tier. So, this sa tier na to, pagaling pa rin, no? Galing pa rin ng performances nila, pero parang hindi mo siya parang i-consider na parang for you like the greatest dance practice nila, pero magaling pa rin, no? Third one is let's go tier. So, ito yung tier na na okay pa rin yung dance practice niya, no? Maybe hindi siya kasing lupit talaga ng goddamn tier, but ando na ando na. Mapapasabi ka ng, woo, let's go. Parang ganon. Yung fourth natin is height tier. Ito yung hindi siya pangit, no? Pero hindi rin siya ganun kagalingan. And of course, the last one is meh. I mean, I don't think na maglalagay tayo ng something dito sa meh. No, but of course, for the sake of the tier list, meron tayong meh tier. And this is the songs or dance practice na meron tayo. We have Go Up, of course, the OG, no? Go Up. We have Alab. We also have Love Goes. And then next to it is What? Bazinga. Wyatt. Ano ba sunod ng Wyatt? Gento. Moonlight muna, diba? Moonlight, Gento, Dam, Dunka, and Visa. So, yan yung mga dance practice na papanood natin ngayon. No? Tingnan natin kung alin sa mga yan ang masabi natin na in the zone. Meron bang dance practice ang wag mo ikunot? Parang wala naman. So again, rules. Kasi baka may mga kapasok ko sa live, no? We're going to only react and rank the official dance practice and rehearsal na meron sila sa SB19 YouTube channel sa kanta mismo nila. No, kanta mismo nila, hindi for advertisement, hindi for like OST. Kaya talaga nila. We're gonna watch it. This is our first entry, man. Tingnan natin kung ano natin lang. Go up.
Yeah, we gonna go up. Oh, kahit pa ako'y mabigo. Yeah, make me.
Okay, so you get what I mean, right? Nung sa mga nakaraang reaction natin, nung sinabi ko na parang yung mga dance practice, tas yung mga ano nila, mga choreography nila sa mga kanta nila before is parang ano, no, ang lalaki ng movement, no? Yung tipong mapapaisip ka na bakit sila nagda-dance, song and dance, na ganda yung choreography, no? Like, parang ang hirap gawin na kumakanta ka, tapos ganito kalaki yung movement mo, di ba? Kasi ngayon parang sobrang ano nila sobrang gabay na nila no? Alam nila kung saan yung ilalagay yung malaking movement sa choreography, tapos yung medyo ano lang, no? Minimal movement lang para hindi ma-compromise yung pagkanta, di ba? Para stable pa rin. No? Tapos, of course, mas madalas sila nagpe-perform ng mas mahaba, di ba? Minsan nagpe-perform siya 30 to an hour. Minsan kahit guest lang sila or, intermission lang sila sa isang event. Pero yung performance siya, 30 minutes to an hour. Akala mo concert. No? So, kailangan nila, of course, i-reserve yung energy nila. So, matalino na sila paano aanuhin yun ngayon eh. Pero before, papaisip ka na, yung choreography nila pang ano no? Pang dance battle eh. Yung laki ng movement.
Ibibigay ko ang aking puso.
Oh, this song is still a banger. What the fuck? I'm sorry. Na ano ako, no?
Yeah, we gonna go up.
Ang dami nilang travel, change ng position. Like, grabe, no? Ngayon ko na na-realize, no? Nang hirap na ito. Paano kaya nila ginawa yung 2 times speed na ito?
Ibigay ko ang aking
Nah, man. I'm sorry. This is 10 out of 10. Let's go, Josh!
Itong galawang sa liwasa, ilog na baro, maragas ako. Di ko na kinang.
See what I mean? What do you mean about that? Like, yung ikot na yun, no? No pag ganon. Grabe, pinapawisan ako, oh. Umpisa pa lang, man. Nag-umpisa pa lang tayo. Unang song pa lang to. Like, may kita mo ba silang imagine, man. Imagine perform sila isang oras tapos ganito yung movement nila. Like, look at this.
Ilog na baro, maragas ako. Di ko na kinang.
Ay na, baka di ka hingalin, no? Isang oras, puro ganyan yung choreography niya.
Yeah, we gonna go up.
Nah, man, I'm sorry. I mean, ano sa tingin nyo? Ha? Ano sa tingin nyo? Ha? I'm sorry, but that performance, that choreography, that's in the zone, man. That is in the zone. No? Grabe yun. Like, yung choreography nila, like, yung connection ng movement nila doon sa sinasabi nila sa dance, sa kanta, sinasabi nila sa dance, no? Kasi ano pala yung dance. Yung sinasabi nila sa kanta is, kitang-kita mo sa choreography. And also, I mean, we're, again, ranking this based on the choreography. So, grabe. Pwede silang, ipanlaban sa mga dance competition sa, na meron, no? I guess, during that time, si Stel pa, no? Si Stel pa ang pinaka parang choreographer nila. Grabe din si Stel no? Grabe din si Stel gawa ng choreography, eh. Hihingaling ka, eh. Okay, that's in the zone. I mean, wala tayong kailangan pagtalunan doon, no? That's in the zone, man. Okay, so next one natin. This is my personal favorite, man. This is my personal favorite. So, this is Alab. Man. Alab. Let's go. I'm sorry. Nalimutan ko lang. You guys remember yung yung parang silhouette nila sa may pintuan doon sa sa SB19 vlog, di ba? Ito yun eh.
Ay, mapapansin mo.
Alam niyo yung I'm sorry. alam niyo yung grupo na Just Jerk? Ano sila eh, Korean dance group sila. Yeah, so this group, ito sila. Yan, ito sila. Familiar ba kayo sa, ano na to, grupo na to? Like yung movement ng SB19 during that early era. You know, may sila sa parang, para ba explain to? Parang ano, parang, yung, parang puzzle yung ano, yung choreography. Like, di ba? Di ba yung dalawang tao doon sa gilid hindi na gumagalaw. Tapos parang sasabay sila, may point na sasabay sila sa choreography mismo. Sobrang ano, no? Sobrang lapit nila dito. And Just Jerk is a dance group, by the way. This is a dance group. Hindi sila kumakanta. No?
I need your love right now.
Let's go, man. Ay, ganun nga pala sila sa huli. Let's go! That's the silhouette, man. Yun yung silhouette sa sa ano nila, no? Sa SB19 vlog nila. It's a silhouette, right? Ay. Ito ba yun? O yung nakaharap sila? Is Alab, man. Alab. So, ang Alab ay nag-aalab, no? That is a fire choreography. That's, by the way, the song itself, personal favorite, man. Pero ano sa tingin nyo? Kasi ako ayokong maging biased because, again, it's my personal favorite na kanta sa Get in the Zone album. I know, I mean, in general, no? Kasi pag uusapan natin na, of course, ballad. Of course, hindi alam mong pipiliin ko. But, kasi for me, I will put this maybe on God Damn. No? Yep, God Damn. Because again, in the zone, ang ilalagay natin dyan is yung feeling natin yung pinaka-the best na choreography nila. No? Again, this one, I feel like it's still great choreography. No? Galing pa rin. Pero kung compare mo yung level ng choreography sa Go Up, saka sa Alab, grabe yung Go Up, man. Yeah, that's absolute banger choreography, no? That is on our God Damn tier, man. God Damn. So, our next one, ito, isa to sa mga, itong sunod na choreography nila, isa sa mga masabi natin na nakakabilib na isang live performance na ginawa nila sa choreography na to, which is, naalala nyo, sumayaw sila or nag-perform sila na sinayaw nila to, tapos 3 lang yung mic na gamit nila. Of course, walang iba, kundi Love Goes, guys. This is Love Goes. This is the original version. Hindi to yung EDM ba yun? EDM version. This is the original version. Let's go.
I don't wanna say goodbye, never say goodbye.
Wait. Nauna ba ang ano? I'm sorry. Sa ating mga dyan, 18 na historians, nauna ba ang dance practice ng Love Goes kasi sa Go Up? Like, nauna nilang ginawa. But feeling ko parang matagal na to. Parang mas nauna to. Parang based sa mga book nila. Okay. So, mas nauna nga siya, no? Technically, sa totoong buhay, no? Kung hindi natin aanuhin yung kailan ni-release, mas naunang nilang sinot yung dance practice ng Love Goes. Okay. Makes sense. Kasi, sorry sa posing. Kasi ito pa yung lugar kung saan sila sumayaw ng yung kanta ng Momoland. Yung na 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 na. Yung ang papayat pa nila. So, isa yun sa mga una nilang cover na So, ibig sabihin, matagal na nga rin to. Kasi ito yung same location eh.
Without you, all I need is your love.
I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted sa kanta, no? This is also a banger. What the hell? Nakakalimutan ko na yung feel eh, di ba? Kasi tagal ko nang hindi pinapakinggan yung kanta eh. The song is a fucking banger. What the fuck? Grabe, man. Grabe yung blocking nila. No? Simula umpisa hanggang dito sa part na to, hindi pa sila nagtagal sa isang possession nila ng like 10 seconds, no? Or 5 seconds. Man, lagi sila nag-change, man. And meron silang yung parang, ano, yung, paano sabihin ito? Kasi alam yung term eh. Yung parang transformer na ano, katulad nito. Diba? So, parang nag-open na siya, diba? Yung formation list, nag-open na siya. Kasi ba naka-straight line sila. Tapos mag-open ulit. Another one. Fuck. Diba? Mas bubuka pa. Parang flower, diba? Na nagbo-bloom. Which is ang ganda tignan. I'm sorry. Si ano ba ang kumakanta dito? Si Justin? Si Justin ba ang kumakanta sa part na yon? Ang ganda pala ng rapping voice ni Justin eh, no? Parang gusto ko siyang ilagay sa ano eh. I guess, goddamn, pero higher than Alab. So, it will be like almost in the zone. Because, siguro hindi siya kasing, again, masabi ko na complicated, ano, or complex choreography ng Go Up. Pero yung mga transition niya, like yung blockings, sobrang linis kasi, man. Sobrang linis ng ano nila, choreography nila sa ano, yung dance practice video nila sa Go Up. Sa ano, Love Goes. So, I'm gonna put this in Goddamn as well, but higher than Alab, no? So, parang almost in the zone. Parang ganun yung dating. Almost in the zone, man. Next to our list, man, ito na, parating na ang bagong era ng SB19, no? Tapos na yung Get in the Zone. And we are on Pagsibol. And this is what choreography, man? This is what? What? Also, I just want to say, this is one of the videos na ngayon ko lang mapapanood. And itong dance practice na to, ngayon ko lang mapapanood. Sorry pa kami ni Pablo dun. Ang ganda dun! So gusto ko talaga yung part na yon. Yung na-hit na lahat ng parang bass na ano, na beat, no? Nah, man. I'm sorry. Ngayon ko nakita yung choreography ng What. Actually, yung actual choreography niya, hindi sila nagpe-perform ng live, no? Kasi pag nag-live, nagpe-perform siya ng live, iba-iba na yung, ano eh, na iba-ibang variation na siya ng choreography, eh, di ba? Kailangan nila mag-adjust based kung meron pang mga backup dancers or something like that, right? And kumakanta rin sila. So, basically, ngayon ko lang napanood talaga yung parang pinaka-choreography, like, just focusing on the choreography. Ang ganda ng choreography ng What, no? What the hell? That is some crumping style, man. Let's fucking go, man. Okay. I already know kung saan ito ilalagay, man. I already know kung saan. What, man? Ilalagay ko siya sa In the Zone para sa akin. How about you guys? Gusto ko lang malaman kung anong tingin nyo sa ano kung yun. Grabe yung ano, yung sabi nga ni Lin Mays 9099, yung formations nila dito and yung nire-represent ng mga formation nila based on sa lyrics ng choreography is napakaganda. No? And sobrang ang galing ng paano to? Yung nung choreography na nagawa nila to represent yung lyrics na yon, ang galing, no? Yung nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi nila sa kanta, ay sa ano sa sayaw. Ano sabi ko? Nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi nila sa kanta dun sa sayaw. That is in the zone for me. I mean, I'm still going to go up higher than what in terms of choreography, but that is still in the zone for me. Hindi ko siya kayang ilagay sa goddamn, man. In the zone siya sa akin. Ang ganda nun. Okay. Next natin, of course, ano ba? Di ba? Ang ating mga Kung Fu Kids, men. Next is Bazinga. This is the Josh Thirstrup era. The Josh Thirstrup era. Let's go. Oh, this is moving? Okay. Alright, that's okay. Basta hindi siya sobrang lapit talaga na zoom in. I'm okay with that. Jula _ Justin. Thank you for 125. Thank you so much, no? Bravo. But yeah, as long as hindi siya sobrang zoom in, I'm okay with that. Stop it. That is clean, man. That is clean. Criminally clean. Any objections, ha? Meron bang objections dyan? I mean, I'm not gonna put it higher than what, no? Basically because of the meaning of the song and paano nila nalagay yung meaning ng song sa choreography nila. So, dahil doon sobrang ganda ng choreography ng What para sa akin. But yung Bazinga is ang angas, no? Di mo ako masasisi. Diba? Kahit gusto ko yung mga meaningful na ano, hindi natin makakailan ang angas ng choreography ng Bazinga, man. Diba? I'm a simple person, man. Makakita ko ng maangas in the zone. Ang angas, no? Lalo na yung part ng dance break nila, no? Ang linis nun. Ilang beses kaya nila pinractice yun. Next natin, no, is yung kanilang ano, of course, biglang parang matagal na pahinga. So, this is their comeback song. Basically, dance rehearsal video ng Where You At? By the way, I just want to say, no, siguro, in terms of, concept, tsaka entertaining factor ng music video nila, Wyatt ang pinaka parang entertaining na music video nila. Yung parang sobrang, parang ang dami nangyayari na parang merong kwento na yung concept niya sobrang kakaiba, no? The footwork. Chill out, Ken. Masyado namang pinakita ni Ken yung pagiging main dancer niya ulit dito, no? Nice, man. They have different variation of choreography para sa part na to, no? Ang galing, no? Kasi, hi, Pogi. Hello. Dito, doon sa unang part before chorus, diba lahat sila sa part na to? Let's not waste our time and then reconnect the line. Lahat sila doon sa part na yun eh. Tapos dito, si Pablo and si Justin na lang. Same thought of, movement and choreography, but dalawa lang sila, which is very creative, no? Imagine mo nagdagdag sila ng another choreography for that part na kung tutuusin, pwede naman nilang ulitin na lang. Di ba? Imagine, di ba, uulitin mo na lang yung gagawin nyo nung umpisa. So, hindi ka na mag-iisip ng panibagong choreography and panibagong blocking kasi parang basically uulitin mo na lang. Di ba? Pero hindi. Then, yung bridge na to before chorus, ginawa pa rin nila ng separate choreography. Heart and soul. Let's go. Clean, man. Clean. I feel like I'm gonna put that higher at goddamn tier. No? I don't think na kaya ko siyang ilagay higher than Bazinga or level of, Bazinga what and go up in terms of choreography. Still, fucking great choreography, no? Kitang-kita mo yung, again, ano nga sabi dito, yung signature dance move ni Stel na parang urban style, no? Like hand formation and all of that. So, kitang-kita natin yung influence ng choreography ni Stel dito, which is makapansin natin yun sa almost all of their choreography na meron tayo napanood na natin ngayon simula nung Go Up. But yeah, that's gotta be at the Kat Tayom tier, man. Higher than Love Goes. So, of course, after this choreography na we have, or this song, Where You At, nag-move on ng SB19, no? Malamig pa dito sa Jordan. Sana all. Sana all. Ano ba, para pagbigasin ng pangalan mo? Joanna 12? Sana all. Kasi dito, grabe. Para ako niluluto. At yeah, so again, after Where You At, no, is of course nag-open ng bagong or nag-release ng bagong EP, no? Ang second sa kanilang trilogy, of course, walang iba kundi Gento. And also, I just want to say no, na on this, I call this dance practice or rehearsal, wala akong nakita na ito lang nakita kong version with scouts. So, we're going to check this one. Medyo malayo yung camera niya, but I guess this is basically their official dance practice. So, ito yon, no? With scouts. SB19 Gento. This is from their Pagtatag EP. Of course, sino ba ang di nakakaalam sa kantang to? No, but this is the first time as well na I'm gonna watch this rehearsal video. Napanood ko yung performance video nila nito, but this is the rehearsal video with scouts. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita ng yung parang, yung talaga yung itsura, kitang-kita mo yung buong choreography. Ang ganda doon. Para Transformer ulit, no? Para may big up sa mga background dancer nila dito, no? Grabe, ang linis ng nila, sayaw nila. Hey! Damn. Let's go. Gento, no? This is the rehearsal video with scouts, man. I don't know if this is going to be a hot take because we all know na Gento is a worldwide fucking banger song, man. A worldwide banger song. But I'm afraid I'm gonna put this in high goddamn in terms of choreography, like the full choreography, okay? Because there's part of Gento na choreography na we can argue that we can put it in the zone. But if we're talking about like the full song choreography, again, we're talking about original, okay? Hindi natin sasama yung different versions ng choreography nila. Kasi again, Gento, sobrang daming different version yan na masasabi ko na it's in the zone, man. na mas mataas pa sa Go Up. But for this original choreography, no, merong mga part ng choreography na we can put it in the zone, but for the full choreography for the full song, I'm gonna put it higher. God damn, man, higher than where you at. Feeling ko mas pa pa rin. Kung ba piliin ako sa original choreography ng Gento and Go Up, still gonna choose Go Up. Still gonna choose the choreography of Go Up. Go Up song is just goated. Then after they, of course, released that EP, no? I guess that's the only dance practice that they have sa sa pagtatag. Yun lang ba? Oh, kung concert version, I mean, wala tayong argument dan. Pag maganda, may mga versions ang Gento choreography na just hindi mo alam kung anong ginagawa nila, no? Hindi mo alam kung may mga sapak pa sa ulo to kasi like every time that they change the arrangement of the song and then they add choreography, paganda, no? And para siyang kotse na parang kino-customize. Hindi mo alam kung board ba tong limang to no? Kasi ang daming version ng arrangement ng Gento. But yeah, if we're going to do the concert version, I mean, it's in the zone. Wala tayong doon, pag-uusapan doon, no? But for the original one, walang I Want You, right? Diba? Wala ring Crimzone. Diba? Ayun ang sa mga, that's criminal, by the way. SB19, I'm sorry. You all know that Crimzone is my favorite SB19 song, and that's criminal. Na wala tayong dance practice, like official dance practice ng Crimzone. Like, up until now, man, Crimzone is like the fan favorite, no? Even now, pina-perform nyo ang Crimzone, but wala tayong dance practice, guys. Come on. Respect the Crimzone. Respect. Okay. So, of course, after ng pagtatag, no? Is naglabas sila ng single, and that is Moonlight, no? Moonlight is also one of my favorite SB19 song, no? Also, I could say na, I guess, dance practice as well. Nung una ko siya napanood, pero matagal-tagal na rin yun, no? So, we're going to check, no? We are going to check kung same pa rin ba yung after natin panoorin yung ibang dance practice nila, kung same pa rin ba yung masasabi ko tungkol sa Moonlight, but let's get it, man. Nah, man, this is in the zone. I'm being biased in here. This is in the zone. The poker face. Tapos yung movement nila, no? Na parang dapat sa mga gatong klase ng movement, nakangiti ka, no? Kasi parang ang saya ng tumatalon-talon sila. Pero naka-poker face sila. Just added so much sa choreography, no? Yung pagtakbo ni Listel, no? Hey. Nah, man. Nah. Still hits the same, man. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put that higher than... I'm sorry, what is that?
You know it's real.
Okay, there's the ads. I'm gonna put that in the zone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Go Up. I'm sorry. I'm getting biased now. Grabe. Ano kasi, no? Let me defend myself. No? Let me defend myself. Okay? Let me defend myself. Unang-una, no? Kaya ako to nilagay sa in the zone, like the highest, man. Itong Moonlight is the creativity, man. Creativity sa choreography nila. ang dami nilang ginawang dance practice. Ang dami nating pinanood ngayon, 'di ba? Ilang kanta na 'yon, 'di ba? Iba-ibang style, hip hop, puro maangas, 'di ba? Urban style. Dito kasi, men, yung alam mo 'yon, sobrang kakaiba nung choreography nila. Parang kumbaga kung yung dance practice ng tawag dito, ng Moonlight is ilalagay mo sa parang painting, para siyang abstract, 'di ba? Hindi siya realism, hindi siya parang like portrait ng isang tao, no? It's an abstract, no? And then you just have to like imagine kung ano yung paano mo siya maintindihan, 'di ba? Kasi that's usually ang ibibigay sa ng isang abstract painting, right? Wala talaga siyang literal meaning. Pag tingnan mo siya, you just have to free your mind. Kumbaga, para maintindihan mo kung ano nangyayari, kung ano yung meaning ng kanta, sa'yo na mismo, di ba? Kung paano mo siya iintindihin. Parang ganun yung choreography ng Moonlight. No? It's an abstract. Wala siyang, tas yung parang weird movement nila is sobrang, tas yung commitment nila sa poker face while doing the movement, even sa dance practice, man, alas 10 out of 10. Pinagtanggol ko lang yung sarili ko, no? Bakit lang sa 10 yun? Pinagtanggol ko lang yung sarili ko. That is a 10 out of 10 for me, man. Okay, it's still the same, man. Still my favorite dance practice. Wala pa rin nagbago. And isang taon na nakalipas, simula nung panonood ko to, wala nagbago, man. Nagtanggol ko yung sarili ko na. Baka mamaya may mga may mga hindi mag-agree. So, iunahan ko na, nagbigay na ako ng ng reason. But yeah, after Moonlight, no, is the legendary Simula at Wakas. And also, during that time, nilabas sila ang kanta nila or dance practice nila ng Damn, which is mga kanta ng third EP nila sa Land Trilogy na Simula at Wakas. So, we're gonna react to Damn dance practice, man. It's been a long time, no? It's been a long time. Babalik tayo sa kulto-kultuhan, man. Let's go. Okay. The choreography of Damn as well is fucking amazing. So I feel like may hirapan tayo dito, no? But let's see. Sorry, ang likot naman nun. Ang likot naman nun. Nga pala, kuryente nga pala yung niya, kapangyarihan niya. Forgot, I'm sorry. Just smooth transition, no? From Justin to Stel. Sobrang gustong-gusto talaga yung part na to. Grabe, no? Parang kang nanonood ng ng parang theater act, no? Grabe. God damn. I still have a goosebump right now. Grabe yon. Damn, man. I forgot, no? Kaganda tong choreography nito. We have to put it in the zone, no? I mean, I'm gonna put it next to Moonlight. Moonlight is still the highest for me, but I'm gonna put it in the zone, man. Next to Moonlight. That choreography, no? Just beautiful, man. I don't know kung nag-experiment ang SB19 nung iniisip nila yung choreography nito na what if parang parang theater act yung gawin natin dating, no? Kasi again, yung Damn music video is my story, right? So what if we put a story on the choreography as well, no? What if ganun yung gawin natin? And nagawa nila yung napakaganda, again, with the help of W3 as well, no? Ang ganda, no? Ganyan naman nasabi ko, that choreography, fucking beautiful, man. And a lot of styles or genre of dancing na pinagsama-sama nila doon. Napakaganda, man. That is second to again, Moonlight, no? Second to Moonlight, but still that is in the zone, man. that is in the zone. Next one, next natin, ito, yung kanilang clap back, man. Clap back sa isang MC or rapper dito sa Pilipinas na kinall out sila and talk shit sa kanila. So they made this song. Hindi natin papangalanan kung sino yun, no? Because we just wasting our energy pag sinabi pa natin yung pangalan. So we have Dungka dance practice, no? Have Dungka. Let's go. Ganito ba talaga kalabo to? O malayo lang sila? Grabe, ang dami na dito, no? Yeah, by the way, yeah, I know merong Sonara members na kasama dito, di ba? During this time. Okay. Alright. Okay. The clap back. Saan natin ito ilalagay? Dungka, no? I guess ilalagay ko siya, I don't know. Ilalagay ko siya the lowest at goddamn. Kasi again, the choreography, hindi naman siya actually, alam naman natin na hindi naman nila tinodo yung choreography doon, no? More on yung choreography nila, parang tawag dito, pang-asar, 'di ba? And also arali or parang pag-aano na dungka, 'di ba? So hindi talaga parang focus sa choreography yung ginawa nila doon. Yung choreography na ginawa nila kumbaga sa kanta. So but still a great performance, no? Nararamdaman ko pa rin yung saya. Oh, novelty style yung dance. Yeah, thank you. So hindi siya kaya hindi mo siya pwedeng i-level sa iba nilang choreography dito na parang sobrang seryoso. 'Di ba? Lalo na ng mga earlier nila like Alab and Love Ghost, which is most probably during that time sobrang seryoso pa nila sa lahat ng bagay-bagay, no? Kailangan the best yung choreography nila palagi. So hindi mo siya pwedeng ipantay doon, kumbaga. Kasi dito again it's a novelty style dance, 'di ba? Para to sa pang-aasar nga or clap back dun sa alam niyo na. So but still great choreography, no? Masayang choreography yung napanood natin doon. I can actually even, based on just choreography, not the song, like it's a high goddamn low let's go, low goddamn high let's go siya. Parang sa gitna kung natin. Based on just choreography, okay? Sa dance. But ilalagay natin siya dito because wala na tayong it's nonsense kung malagay natin siya kasi it's high let's go naman siya. So we can put it as a low goddamn, man. But yeah, so after they released the Simula at Wakas, they did a world tour, and after na mag-world tour, naglabas sila ng another album, which is ang Wakas at Simula. And sa Wakas at Simula, naglabas sila ng isang dance practice. Walang iba, kundi ang Visa. By the way, Visa is ang kanta ng SB19 na masasabi kong pinaka-favorite ko in terms of lyricism. Yung lyrics niya, yung double entendre, yung the way nila kinonstruct yung mga verse. This is my favorite based on the lyrics and the lyricism. Yung element ng lyricism, ito yung pinaka-paborito kong kanta. Visa, man. But check the dance practice. This is a dance practice. No, I'm just saying na favorite song ko siya in terms of lyrics, but of course we're watching dance practice, man. Let's go. By the way, I just wanna say, nakakaya ito sasabihin ko, pero ang hirap nito. Tinry kong practicein yung choreography nito, yung chorus. Fuck, ang hirap nento, man. Ang hirap nento. Totoo lang. Grabe, no? Ang hirap nento. Ito pala yung, sorry, mali ako sinasabi. Ito yung part na sinasabi ko na tinay ko, yung parang ano nila, parang, ano, parang nagbe-b-boy, something. Ang hirap nento. Madali lang yung part ni Pablo. I mean, ano ba, yung kumakanta siya na ano, I mean, di ba siya sumasayaw doon sa part na yun, of course. Pero itong part na to, ang hirap nento. Hindi na to friendly sa trentahin, no? Hindi na. Man, sorry. Like, I can't even do that anymore. I ca I would love to try right now, pero ayoko ma-injured, no? So, not gonna do it. I can't even do that anymore, man. Let's go, man. Okay. All right. Visa. In terms of choreography and the connection niya to the lyrics, man, I'm confident that I can put it on In the Zone, no? In the Zone. If we're talking about just choreography of Visa, I guess pwede niyang talunin yung choreography ng original choreography ng Gento, no? But I guess I'm gonna put it in here. Just can I still put it in here? I'm sorry. I think hindi na siya pwede, no? Pinagbawalan na tayo magdagdag ng isa pa. So sobra na daw ako. Ayun na yung maano. So basically I'm gonna put Visa before or after what, no? Mataas siya sa Bazenga. Still believe na sobrang ganda ng ng choreography ng what in terms of the meaning of the song. Visa is in the zone as well. No doubt with that. I guess pwede ko siyang ilagay mas mataas sa Bazenga. Because in the Bazenga, kaya ako siya lagay sa in the zone kasi ang lupit eh. Ang lupit. Yun lang, malupit. Malupit yung choreography ng Bazenga. No? Ang lupit niya. Kaya siya in the zone for me. But Visa kasi is may kinalaman din yung choreography niya sa lyrics ng kanta. So, in the zone siya sa akin. So, taas siya, no? But, again, there's a lot in here, no? Itong tatlong to, kayang bumaba na ito kung we're talking about choreography of maybe Mana or Creme Zone or yung concert version ng Gento or yung Akon version ng Creme Zone, lalo na yon, goddamn, yung pala, no? Even I Want You, man. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung saan ko lalagay I Want You, but we're talking about the original version, okay? We are talking about the original version. Choreography ng I Want You. I'm not going to tell you kung saan siya lalagay, but you already know na may malalaglag dito. No? Yeah, man. 8-ton ball as well, nga pala. Thank you. Wala tayong dance practice ng 8-ton ball. SB19, by the way, that is criminal. Please. Huwag yan naman kaming Creme Zone sa pagtatag 8-ton ball sa simula at wakas. Diba? Tapos meron na naman silang pinakitang choreography sa atin ng Everblock. Tapos wala na naman. Wala na naman. What is emoji? Masyado ng greedy, no? Masyado ng greedy. But yeah, well, I guess that is our live for today. No? Tatapusin natin yung live for today. That is our official SB19 dance practice tier list. That is the official, no? Government certified, no? Itong tier list na to. No, hindi lang siya ma-add, but you guys already know that this one is next to before what. So this is a fucking certified dance practice. Pakita nyo kahit kanino, maniniwala sila na sabihin nyo ako gumawa. That's a certified dance practice tier list. No? So, yeah, I mean, that is our live for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy that. Yung parang nostalgia na napanood natin sa mga una lang dance practice, at the same time yung pag-compare sa mga bago nila. But I know you guys still have a lot of requests, but we can do it next time. No, today we're just doing the ranking for dance practice. But yeah, I guess that is our video for today. I hope you guys have a great day, have a great afternoon, have a great evening, have a great weekend tomorrow. No, weekend again tomorrow. Maybe we can do live tomorrow. It's weekend, no, but we'll see. But that is our reaction for today. Well, see you on the next one, guys. On the next one, no? Ang init. Bye.